Please take a seat. Make yourself at home. How are you feeling today? Thank you for coming by. So, today, really simple session again. I know we've been doing a lot of simple sessions recently, but I really want to get you ready for the new year that's coming up. You may have heard about it, or any new year, or any change that might be coming. So, what we're going to do is just work on your resistance levels in a way. We're going to strengthen your ethereal body so that you have more of a fighting chance come the new year. So I've got a few stones picked out, and you can see them here. Okay. Now these stones, I've chosen them and charged them so that it can help you build up more of a sort of toughened carapace, you know, a sort of armor, if you like. And what we're going to do today is just work to strengthen the energy under that armor. So there won't be so much cord cutting today. There won't be so much plucking. There won't be so much energy pulling. We'll be working a lot with massaging the current energy that's there in order to get it as supple, limber, and strong as possible. Okay? So I'm just going to light a little candle, your candle, here, without burning my fingers. If I can do it. Come on. Almost. It could be a 20-minute session of me just trying to light this candle. And there we go. Maybe I'll get a new candle for you. Huh? That might be nice. Anyway, heat makes things malleable. If you put heat under, a piece of plastic or something, you can bend it, you can change it. But what it also does, when you heat, for example, iron or even steel, you can then temper it. Like the samurai sword, the katana, it's rolled iron or steel or whatever, and when you roll it, when you mold it, you can make it stronger. You can temper it. So what we're doing today is using the energy from this heat, this candle right here, and the energy from my chi to temper and strengthen your chi. Okay? So I'll keep this lid here and I'll bring it up every so often so that we can basically warm up your chi so it's easier for me to work with. Okay? So, just gonna charge up my chi and then we'll do a couple of breathing exercises. Okay? Okay, now 3-3-3, easy, 3-3. In, hold, out, in, hold, out, in, hold, out. Okay, nice and relaxed. Now immediately we're going to start off by just doing some gentle massage around your face. Okay, so I'm going to get real close and just tap on all the way up here. just to bring up the energy and make it more malleable so that we can strengthen it, so that we can temper it. Okay, so you'll be seeing me do some weird things, but don't worry. Some little flutterbys. Okay. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Okay, good. And now what we're going to do. So if I find a string of energy like this, okay, I'm going to pull it out like this, as usual. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it here and here and fold it over. Okay? Fold it over. And then grab it like that. And there's not much elasticity. Sorry, I can't say that very well. Elasticity there. It's more strong. And then we just fold that back in. Okay? I'll just show you again. We've got another one here. Okay? Pull it out. And when we pull out like this, it's quite elastic. You can stretch it, you see? Well, with this one just about there. Okay? So what I'm going to do is pull that. Keep pulling. And then, once we get to a good point, fold it over. Like that. And just fold it back in. Nice and easy. So now what you got there is two. Now it's excess energy. The kind of stuff we usually go, oop, doop, 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 chuck away. But what we're doing here is we're creating an additional layer of energy to protect you for the new year and any changes that may come. So I'm going to keep doing that. And what I'm going to do as well is if I see a knot or anything like that, I'm going to unknot it, string it out, fold it up so it's smart and neat and tidy, and then fold it back in. Okay? I hope that's all right with you. I hope you trust me, because I trust you. Okay? And otherwise, it's just an ordinary session. And hopefully relaxing. A little bit of energy needing there. Okay, there we go. And it's just another string. Elasticated, as usual. Pull, pull, pull. And it stops there. We don't want to pull it out yet. So we fold, 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 and then fold back in. There we go. We're creating a nice sheen of ethereal energy, of chi, all around your chi. Okay? And we got a little knot just here. So work it out, and then pull. Okay, there we go. Good. Pull it out. Let it dangle here a bit, then fold, 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 and fold back in. There we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Energy needing, like I'm a big cat. Meow. Okay, good. Just going to use the candle, your candle, just to heat up the energy a bit more. Okay. All around your aura. Which isn't a word I like to use that much. You may have noticed. Not because I dislike it, just it doesn't seem appropriate to the work that I do. I prefer ethereal body, a metaphysical layer inhabiting your physical or corporeal layer. Okay? And there heated that up a little bit. Put that back down there so it's safe. By my good old-fashioned TV. It's a CRT, believe it or not. And then maybe a bit of tappa. And back in. Nice and easy. There we go. I apologize for the shirt I'm wearing. It actually belongs to my wife. I put on a bit of weight recently and I'm trying to hide it. Well, kind of. Anyway, doesn't matter. And her clothes are baggy, is what I mean. She's certainly not bigger than me. Not that there'd be anything wrong with that, of course. Okay, and fold. And fold. And fold. And fold. And fold back in. There we go. Nice and easy. And we'll just keep working through it like this. And see what we get. Nice and close there. Hold on. And fold, and fold, and fold, and fold in. So energy folding is a good way to reinforce something. And like I said, you can do that with anything. If you really want to make a really strong piece of pasta, you can apply the same logic. Okay? Pull, 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 fold, 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 and fold. Fold in. There we go. Little knot here. And pull. Okay, there we go. And pull, and pull, and pull. And then fold, and fold, and fold, and fold back in. There we go. Nice and easy. And you might think, isn't this just undoing a lot of the work that we have been doing, getting rid of this excess energy? And well, yeah. But if you imagine that this energy that we're folding is wild energy, okay, untamed, like weeds almost, you know? So what we're doing is reinforcing it so it can help you, protect you. Fold, 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 and fold. Okay, good. Good. Pull, 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 and fold, and fold, and fold, and fold, and fold back in. There we go. Nice and easy. Nothing too strenuous. This should be very relaxing. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be stressful in any way. Okay. Just one last time, I'm going to heat up the energy. Okay. And heat up the stones, give them a little more energy as well. Make them nice and warm. Good. And pull, and pull, and pull, and fold, and fold, and fold, and fold it back in. Okay, you got it. You get it now. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. Okay, well, pull, 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 fold, 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 and fold back in. A little knot here. Get that out. Okay, and pull. There we go. Pull, 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 and fold, and fold, and fold, and fold, and fold back in. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay, we're looking pretty good here. I think it's about time we gave you a little massage. So, 1, 2, 3, and we will do your personalized Reiki symbol. Do you remember it? Okay, so it's do, 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 and then finally do, do, do. And that's it. And then when we blow out the candle, it disperses any excess. It provides clarity to our intention, what we want to achieve with this session, and what we want to achieve moving forward. Okay? I think you've done great. Thank you. I know I was a bit rambly at the start, but you know me. I always am. But I hope that you got something from this, and I certainly hope that in any, anything that's coming up, like any big events, parties, big family things, or whatever, that this helps to strengthen you, to help you get through anything that you might otherwise find a little bit sort of confrontational or difficult to deal with. Otherwise, I will indeed see you in a week's time. And my tummy is rumbling, which means it is time for me to eat something. Okay, thanks so much.